Hi, class. Keep up the good work. Getting to your essays, your ad essays today. The midterm file on the files is this, right? So Professor Enoch is trying to get you to look at semiotics, which is a way of knowledge, right? And a way of presenting learning. So these are the things to brush up on as you go back and look at the documents that have been released, right? The idea of the American myth, which is kind of what the quiz was on today. The fallacies, right, as myths. And I can tell you that the midterm does have some questions pointing out which fallacies and things like that. It will be open Thursday during your class and close at the end. So make sure you have a computer that's working, internet that's stable, that you can, don't do it on your phone, right? So you won't be able to read. So if you need to be on campus on a computer, there's plenty of computers on campus. If you're home, make sure you're in a room that has good internet because obviously for quizzes, my internet crashed halfway through the quiz. Unfortunately, is not a excuse for that timed quiz, right? So the idea of opening up all the past quizzes, and I will do that right now, so you can look at the voting. And so this is your study guide for Thursday, and this is your midterm quiz. We're going to be moving on to Great Gatsby, which I've taught so many times, and I love that book, so I'm excited about that. So for now, this is what the midterm quiz, it's not really voting, is. And if there's any questions, I'm going to be checking the chat, but also you can email me. Okay, good luck.